Okay, do-it-yourselfers. Today I'm going to help fix a rusty faucet. Basically, I installed this shower a few years ago when I finished the basement here, and I put this faucet in, and I was kind of naive. I didn't realize that I was using this iron stuff that would totally rust. So whenever we're turning on the faucet, it's just rusty water comes out. Kids don't like that. So I took off the faucet. I went down to Home Depot to see if I could replace this thing. It turns out this is 5.5 inches. It's only 5.5 inches because of the way I put it in there. In fact, this isn't even the most common way of doing it now, but apparently, so the faucet is a little different, but if yours is like this, then you can do what I did. So I went there. They of course don't have 5.5 inch pieces. Nothing simple, right? So I had to get a 2-inch piece and then a 4-inch piece with or I think it's like 3-inch and then a coupler. And they didn't even have it all in brass. But basically this is galvanized stuff that won't rust, and then the brass of course won't rust. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. And basically the install is pretty simple. I'm gonna use some of this stuff. Forget what this is called, but it's like the plastic stuff that you wrap the threads so you get a tight seal, like watertight seal. And I always remember to cut this with scissors, because I've tried to just break it with my hand and it just makes a mess. It's just all stretchy. So I'll go ahead and put that on. Okay, I've now twisted it on there, got it real tight. Also, one thing to bear in mind is you want to make sure that white stuff, you wrap it the right way so that as you tighten it, it doesn't like get all folded on itself. You want it to go with the threads so that as you tighten it, it goes tighter around. So now let's give it a whirl. Nice, clean, non-rusty water, so looking good now. We'll talk to you later. Take care, and subscribe if you could.